Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious and crispy fried pork chop and ribs. To get started, here I have some fresh pork chop and about, a small rack of ribs that I went ahead and cut, and I washed them really well. And I will be using some eggs, some milk. I have garlic powder, black pepper, I have seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning. I have paprika and some onion powder. So first we will combine all of our seasonings, because what we'll do here is we will leave like a quarter of the seasoning for our flour so we can season our flour, and we will use the rest of it to season the pork. Next, we'll combine the eggs and the milk. We will whisk it really well, and then we will add our seasonings. Now we'll add the mixture to our pork. Make sure it's nicely submerged in there, and then we'll let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. So here I have some self-rising flour, and I'll go ahead and add my seasonings and some panko breadcrumbs. We will mix well and we'll set aside. We are using the self-rising flour because it adds a nice crispiness to the pork chop, and also the panko breadcrumbs helps with that as well. Next, we'll go ahead and generously coat our pork chop and a rib in the flour. We will just be doing this once because I think I mentioned before, I don't like when the breading on either your chicken or whatever you're frying, I don't like it too hard and crunchy. I like a subtle kind of crispiness on my stuff, so I will only do it once. But if you like that hard, crunchy breading, you can go ahead and dip it twice and set it aside. Once we're done coating our pork, we will let it sit for about 10 minutes while we get the oil ready. Here in my preheated oil, I will now add my pork chop and rib. I will add 3 at a time just to avoid overcrowding the pot. We will let them cook for about, let's say, 8 to 10 minutes, or at least until they start to look golden brown. After about 8 minutes, I'll go in now and remove the ribs because they are smaller in size, which means they will be done cooking first. So I'll remove the rib and I'll give the pork chop 2 more minutes. Now I'll remove the pork chop and I'll carry on with the same process until I'm all done. And once you're done, guys, this is how they should be looking, which I am not done, but I was just excited to show you guys how gorgeous they look. And look at the perfect golden brown they have there. and they are simply amazing. I hope you guys try this recipe. You will not regret it. So today I'll be enjoying my pork chop with some roasted potatoes, some mac and cheese, and some green beans, guys. This is absolutely delicious. This was our Sunday dinner, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys make your pork, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!